So let me test the module, and it's pretty simple, my friend. For example, let me try to create a function, a definition that is an even, how to find the even number, whether the number is even or not. So what you can do, you can simply create the definition like here. You can create this module def, let's say even, odd, and we will pass a number, okay, from another script, and we will test if, let's say, num modulus by 2 is 0. So this is going to be an even number. I will just simple print with the formatter. Let's say we have an even number, that is here num, like this. It's pretty simple, my friend. And else we will just print something else. Let's say here, let's say print with the formatter. Let's say we have an odd number, and this is the number. So this is our module. Okay, this is our module, and if you run it, it simply show nothing because we are not calling this function. So what we can do, I'm going to call this module from a different file or from a different script. So here I will create a new one, and let's say I will just save it and say, okay, test odd, even, odd. So this is the file name that you need to remember, okay? And here you just need to use the import. Let's say import, and its name is even def. Okay, so this is what I'm going to import, even def, and then you can call even def dot this function odd, and here I'm passing 3, so it should return that we have an odd number. So I will save it, and when I run it, you will have that particular kind of output. So you can see we have an odd number. All right, and if I change it to 4, so we will have a even number. So it's pretty simple to use a module, okay? And just go with the exercises that I'm going to give you. Thanks for watching this tutorial.